NuGEN Machineries Ltd offers Trimans fixed rake angle NC hydraulic shears, with rear sheet support mechanism.
Blazing fast performance, low noise of operation, unmatched precision, unbeatable durability and longevity are hallmarks of Trimans hydraulic shears, manufactured by NuGEN Machineries Ltd since 1982. Trimans, variable rake angle, and fixed rake angle hydraulic shears are used in the metal fabrication, sheet metal cutting industry, where accuracy, precision, speed, and productivity matters.
When you purchase a Trimans fixed rake angle hydraulic shear, the angle stays set, or is fixed, as per the predetermined settings. Engineers and tech experts at NuGEN Machineries Ltd calculate the exact angle required to provide superior shear quality for the range of material thickness and material length provided by you.
Advanced hydraulic system and numerically controlled back gauge enhance the efficiency, accuracy, and precision.
RSS, or the rear sheet support, allows to effortlessly move the cut workpieces, as per the requirements.
Trimans means assured safety. Trimans hydraulic shears, with built-in overload protection, protects the machine and the blades against damages due to overload or misuse. Instantaneous ram stoppage and hydraulic overload safety provides maximum safety for machine and the operator.
The hold down cylinders, clamp, and hold the workpiece, to prevent unnecessary movements, whereas the sheet support arms stabilize the process of shearing.
Our esteemed customers are using our machines without any major maintenance issues, and NuGEN's standing in market since last 4 decades proves this point.
Machines we manufacture.
Trimans brand conventional hydraulic press brakes. Numerically controlled, or NC hydraulic press brakes. CNC synchro hydraulic press brakes. Fixed rake angle hydraulic shears. Variable rake angle NC hydraulic shears.
Extra edge hydraulic shears.
Special purpose hydraulic presses and other sheet metal machineries, based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India.
NuGEN Machineries Ltd. Innovation. Perfection. Reliability.